Hello guys, and welcome back. Today, we're gonna beat my cousin cats. Yeah, you heard that? We're beating him. We're beating him dead on, cold. Stone cold. Because we rule, and he sucks. I beat him last night, the other night, so let's do a whole live stream of beating him. As you can see, I play cards and I'm stage 5. You don't know me, I don't know you. I'm stuck in stage 5, yo. I'm stage 5. You don't know me, you don't know me. I'm stage 5. You don't know me, I'm stage 5. Alright. You think you can turn me into a monster? Now you're coming. Cause I'll turn you into that monster. Now, using my weapons to make one cool weapon. And then we will try. Not sure, we're just gonna continue bothering him. So let's do it. Ooh, maybe he is 6 now. He wants to beat me. Now he wants to beat me. Now he wants to beat me. Oh, I just beat him. This is in your face. This is in your face. Do your dab. Do your dab. Let's just defeat him again. You think I'm not cool? Oh yeah! I won again! Kill count 2. Oh yeah! I destroyed him! Yes! Let's just stop it. I'm 4th in the championship. So let's do this. Let's do this shit. Yeah. You think, what? I'm actually 7th? No, I'm not. I mean, I may have the worst weapons, but how dare you call me a sicko? Okay, you got me. Fuck. But I will defeat someone. And when I defeat them, they will regret it. Now. Secretly, I really want to put on this. Ooh. Now. You see this? I'm gonna weak one. Weak. Wait, is that the only one I have? No, that's not the only one I have. Yeah! Okay. I'm gonna say bye-bye. Everyone to go, huh? Now guys, you may not think, but I will be getting better things. And remember, cousin, don't. And remember, cousin, be aware of me now, because I could totally take you out. As if I could never. Oh. No. Now, as I go. Go over there. Now God's gonna do whatever I want. Whatever we all want. Okay, I might not defeat you forever now, but at least I have a cool, nice weapon for myself. Now, let's do this. Going down the street. I need to upgrade my string and try again. Okay, if you say stop being a gambler, I'm not a gambler. It's just I want bad parts. And I will get them. Whenever I want, and whenever I want. Because I'm a better. Okay, guys. In 3 minutes, the bet will be on. But for now, I need to go check out stuff. Two minutes. For now, I'm just gonna be shooting, bang, 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 shoot. And I guess so. Sorry, bro, but this must be done. Now, it's been 9 minutes. Now let's go. Let's see. 1 minute. What? Okay, in 30 seconds. 3, 31, 26, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 12, 11, 10, 9. Count with me. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. He's obviously gone. Oh. No! 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 What the fuck?
Are you okay?
What the fuck? I am the worst. Ooh, I have to choose this. I have to bet this one. I'm sorry if you're gonna say I'm a better. I should have known better. Yes, I should have known better. Yes. And that's all for today. Bye.